While this homeowner in Wall Township, New Jersey was taking out the garbage, he noticed a large amount of ants crawling on the side of his home. He called up Cowleys and we were sent out to inspect and treat. Turns out, the ants were attracted to the broken downspout that was creating a puddle in the ground. If you look closely, you could see the ants trailing on the side of the building and entering the home underneath the siding. We informed the homeowner, who immediately began repairing the downspout. While he was starting his repairs, we began treatment. We applied a granular bait and a liquid non-repellent along the entire exterior of the home. Additionally, with the homeowner's permission, treated the inside of the home with the liquid product. Once the ants come in contact with any of these treatments, they'll bring it back to their colony and transfer it among one another. This ensures rapid elimination of the entire colony.